Cool gel mattress replacement with gel-infused memory foam disperse body heat and create a cooler sleeping surface while retaining the pressure-relieving properties of traditional memory foam. Tossing and turning are dramatically diminished and disrupted sleep patterns are greatly eliminated so you can sleep longer without moving and enjoy the benefits of a deeper, more restful sleep pattern. Get it right the first time. It is also a good idea to know the size and the height of your mattress ahead of time to make sure you are ordering the correct size. Keep in mind that you should combine the height of your bed frame, foundation, or adjustable bed base with the height of your mattress to get a gauge of how tall your sleep system will be. Note: cover is not included. A 50% restocking fee may apply on returns. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 4 inches Bunk 4 inches by 28 inches by 75 inches. Number 2. We combined a 1-inch layer of ventilated gel memory foam and a 3 inches layer of high-density support foam for a pressure-relieving and supportive mattress replacement with a medium feel. Number 3. Just like regular memory foam, gel-infused memory foam is still very effective in offering pressure relief. Additionally, when you do move in bed, memory foam gently fills in and reshapes itself to your new sleeping posture, cradling every contour of your body. Number 4. It will last 5 to 7 years. Ships compressed in a box. Made in the USA. Note: cover not included. Number 5. We also do custom cut foams. Please send us a message of your desired measurements. Cover available upon request. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.